Qinhuangdao Ocean Food Company Limited, former Chinese People's Liberation Army number 4003 factory, is a designated manufacturer of PLA, was founded in 1984, located in Qinhuangdao, Hebei, near to Beijing and Tianjin Port, with total assets of $300 million and land area of 55,000 square meters. Our factory has been one of the China-leading manufacturers of military food, emergency food, canned food since 1984. The annual productivity is over 1.9 million tons. Meals ready to eat, emergency food rations, canned food are our main products, which are successfully used by military, numerous aid agencies, humanitarian organizations, civil defense institutions, expeditions, and outdoor workers. Our factory has built a 30,000 square meters modern production plant with 23 modern production lines and dozens of modern production equipment like automatic baking machine, sterilization pot. Also, we have 25 excellent R&D engineers and passed HACCP, ISO, Halal, FDA. We have attended to large-scale international food and military products exhibition for many times, like Germany, France, Thailand, and Russia, have successfully promoted products to the international market and built long-term cooperation with the customers in Europe, Australia, America, Southeast Asia, Middle East, and Africa. Average annual exports reach $35 million a year. Ocean Food is an excellent manufacturer of Chinese food with high-quality products and perfect service.
Qinhuangdao Ocean Food Company was established in 1960s. We have been a professional food manufacturer for military canned foods, MRE meals ready to eat, and high-energy compressed biscuits. We can do OEM service for our customers. Welcome your consultation and visit.